water world under the sea. This EcoWare is fully handcrafted with love and care and creatively made completely of recycled materials. Disposable spoon and fork and added some beading from a turf cloth and painted it for more colorful, brighter appearance and make it more realistic. And for my hand props, I use our old bubble machine. This EcoWare shows how beautiful our water world is. This means that if we care and love our nature, we can continue to live and have more resources from the water world and see the beauty of nature. I am Blair Grande P. Galang, your